Yo, I remember spitting bars, recording tracks in my closet. Now a year later, success is at the door knocking. Stopping wasn't an option, pull my weight like an oxen. Did it on my own with no money in my pockets, I remember my first microphone. I hit Walmart with a couple bucks and biked it home. Check the heights I've grown, honey's hit my phone. This music shit's really just the only life I know. Smoke till my eyes low, good weed's a necessity. Girls who used to hate on me, giving me head like Kennedy. Always keep a pen on me just in case you was testing me. Haters confess to me lately, they hate was out of jealousy. Ignore their Facebook chats, so then they message me. And then ignore that too, so now they texting me, trying to apologize for how they used to mess with me. Would think my name was sorry, cause that's how they been addressing me. They used to always laugh at me,
and things change.
they tried to make an ass of me,
And things change.
now they waving when they passing me. Cause things change, cause things change, cause things change. They never were a friend of me,
And things
they
change.
treat me like an enemy.
Things change.
But now they wife is texting me, cause things change, cause things change, cause things change. People used to ask me if I rapped and I pretended I didn't, cause for some reason I was too afraid to admit it. I was embarrassed of the only thing in life that I loved. Then I picked up a mic like Mike Tyson was gloves. But that's just who I was, cause yeah boy, now I'm different. Making hella noise, you got no choice but to listen. L train to Manhattan, I hope I didn't miss it. The shit I used to dream about is really how I'm living now. But don't think that I'm egotistical, cause I'm about to brag, but I'll keep it to a minimal. Almost 100,000 views on my videos, out of state shows, and I still ain't reached my pinnacle. Shouts to Webby, he's the best in the birds, but I'm the second, so just know that I'm the best in the worst. Sally's buzzing, honey's always texting the flirt. I got no time to respond because progression's the word. They used to always laugh at me,
And things
they
change.
tried to make an ass of me.
And things change.
Now they waving when they passing me. Cause things change, cause things change, cause things change. They never were a friend of me,
And things
they
change.
treat me like an enemy.
Things change.
But now they wife is texting me, cause things change, cause things change, cause things change.